Ever wished for a secret weapon to crush your goals and skyrocket your success? Get ready to have your mind blown. I've found an AI powerhouse that's a genius assistant, master strategist, and productivity guru all in one. Imagine turning your wildest ideas into reality with just a few clicks. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how this game-changing tool can transform your life, and maybe even your bank account. Let's dive right in. Let me introduce you to AKOOL, the very tool that's about to redefine your productivity and creativity. What sets AKOOL apart? It's a comprehensive solution that blends cutting-edge AI technology with user-friendly features, offering unparalleled efficiency and insight. Whether you're tackling complex projects or managing daily tasks, AKOOL provides the tools you need to succeed effortlessly. Click the link in the description to dive into AKOOL and experience how it can revolutionize your workflow and help you achieve your goals faster and smarter. Let's dive into one of AKOOL's standout features, the Face Swap tool. So, how does it work? It's really simple. First, from the main screen, hover over the top toolbar. Select Platform and then choose Face Swap from the drop-down menu. Once you've done that, you can upload the image or video you want to edit. The great thing about AKOOL is that it supports various file formats, so whether you're working with a high-resolution image or a video clip, you're good to go. After your file is uploaded, you're ready to start swapping. Select the face you want to change. You can upload a new face, whether it's a friend's, a celebrity, or even your own, or use one from AKOOL's wide selection of preset faces. Now this is where AKOOL truly stands out. Once you've picked the new face, AKOOL's advanced AI analyzes the facial structure to ensure a perfect fit. But here's something even more impressive. AKOOL has a re-age feature that lets you adjust the age of the swapped face. This effect is applied globally across all the faces in the project. So, if you're working with multiple faces in the same image or video, the AI automatically adjusts all the facial details to ensure everything looks cohesive and natural. Additionally, there is a Face Enhance feature when you upgrade your account to the Pro version. It's a great way to ensure consistency in your project and make your video smoother. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click the high-quality Face Swap button and let AKOOL work its magic. In just a few moments, you'll see the new face beautifully blended into your video. Whether you're aiming for something humorous, artistic, or professional, the results are seamless and incredibly realistic. AKOOL uses advanced AI to ensure smooth blending, making your edits look natural and seamless. Furthermore, you can click this button to access the Face Swap gallery. There are plenty of options available for you here. I picked this image and followed the same steps as before, and here's the result. It's amazing, isn't it? Everything looks smooth and natural. What's truly amazing about this feature is its accessibility. You don't need any advanced software or skills to get a professional result. AKOOL does all the heavy lifting for you. It saves you a ton of time and effort, making it perfect for anyone looking to make high-quality edits quickly and easily. Now let's move to another powerful feature, Video Translate. This tool allows you to easily translate your videos into multiple languages, making your content accessible to a global audience. To get started, select the Video Translate option and upload your video into AKOOL's dashboard. You can choose the original language of the video, or the platform will automatically detect the spoken language, and from there you can choose the target language you want to translate into. AKOOL supports a wide range of languages, and the translation is highly accurate thanks to its advanced AI technology. Next, you can choose to enable or disable the following features: lip sync, remove background music, and proofread video script. Once the translation is complete, the video will automatically sync the subtitles and dubbed voiceover to match the timing of the original speech. Let's take a moment to check out the final result and see how everything turned out.
I hate you. There are times when I want to bite you.
But go ahead.
What to say to girlfriends?
You can reach new audiences without having to recreate or reshoot your content. With video translation, you break language barriers, expanding your reach effortlessly while keeping the quality high. It's a game changer for anyone looking to grow their international presence. Lastly, let's explore the talking photo feature, which adds a dynamic twist to your images by bringing them to life with speech and movement. This tool is perfect for creating engaging content that captures your audience's attention. To use Talking Photo, simply select Talking Photo and upload a photo of a person or a character you want to animate. Once your image is uploaded, you can easily select from a range of pre-made voices that suit your content.
And I feel like my journey was a little interesting getting.
What I was saying regularly is imagine.
You can also choose to use your own voice, or any voice you like, by uploading it directly. After selecting the voice, type the content you want to be spoken into the script section. The magic happens when you input your script. AKOOL will sync the chosen animation with the audio to create a realistic talking effect. What makes this feature truly remarkable is its ability to create personalized messages. Imagine sending a birthday greeting or a promotional message where the recipient sees a familiar face speaking directly to them. This adds a unique, personal touch that standard videos or images simply can't achieve. Let's take a look at what we have.
Welcome to AKOOL. Create engaging videos for marketing, e-learning, or training audience in minutes. Try change your script here and click high quality generate.
With Talking Photo, you can boost engagement on social media, enhance marketing campaigns, or even create educational content that feels more interactive. It's an innovative way to make your visuals stand out, making your message not only seen but heard too. And that's just a glimpse of what AKOOL can do. There are many more exciting features waiting for you to explore. To enjoy the best experience without watermarks and to access all the advanced features, be sure to upgrade your AKOOL account today. Plus, don't miss out on exclusive offers. Click the link in the description below to take advantage of special deals. Now, let's walk through the pricing plans for AKOOL, starting with the Pro plan, which is priced from $21 per month. This plan offers at least 600 credits and includes everything from the basic plan, but adds watermark removal, 5 customized avatars, upload quality up to 1080p, and fast processing. Next, we have the Pro Max plan, starting at $79 per month, which provides 2,400 credits. You get all the benefits of the Pro plan, plus 10 customized avatars, higher upload limits, and quality up to 4K. The Studio plan costs $350 per month and boosts you to 12,000 credits. It also includes up to 50 avatars, 8K video quality, and even faster processing. Finally, there's the Enterprise plan, offering tailored features for large organizations with pricing available upon contacting sales. And don't forget, you can save up to 30% by opting for yearly billing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below with your favorite part or any questions you have. And don't forget, click the link in the description to grab your exclusive offer from AKOOL. It's the perfect way to take your business to the next level.